Hey, what's up, everyone? Today, let's quickly dive into the way that you fix the Instagram link in bio not working. Now, for the most people, what is the issue is what if you head over to the edit profile inside of your Instagram account, most people just add in the link inside of the bio instead of actually adding it to the link section. So, to simply avoid this, just you'll need to head over to the link option and then tap on the add link. Through this section, you'll be able to add in the actual URL that you want to be clickable and then add in the title as well. So by doing this simple thing, it is going to solve the problem for most of the people. Now, if you are doing this and you're still facing the issue where the link is not clickable or the link is not working, is you need to fix the URL that you're entering is actually correct. Make sure you check it out by entering the URL on a browser and make sure that it is redirecting to a legit website. Now, apart from this, Instagram does not like certain links. For those cases, what you can do is use a link shortener. So quickly open up a web browser and you can search for link shorteners. This way you can see tons of results that you can go into. This way you can paste in the actual link and the link that you paste is going to be made shorter as well as the name is going to be changed. So you can use this updated URL and then try pasting it inside of your Instagram bio. So by doing these couple of steps, you should be now able to fix the Instagram link in bio not working.